cracking your neck can cause stroke.
Yes, most of the chiropractors, we have a term called as dissection. You are never supposed to crack your neck because, see, nobody knows the anatomy of your own body. So you do not know how your vertebral arteries or your carotid arteries, how fragile it is.
Vertebral artery is the blood vessel that is going through the spinal canal.
Spinal canal to your brain stem. That is your back of the brain. Okay. So some patients are genetically predisposed. Once they crack the neck, they can rupture the artery, which is so many massage center, chiropractic centers where they would have suddenly cracked the neck, they would have changed the neck posture. Suddenly what will happen? They'll have a dizziness, they'll fall unconscious and they would have been paralyzed.